Hello, welcome to the Module 6 introduction video. We will be looking this week at the introduction to geomatics, a fancy name for um, science of measuring, so to speak, and we'll look at that a little more in depth, but it generally covers everything you need to know about measuring the Earth, from measurements to map production. And it's a pretty significant chapter. I'll try to get through it the best I can. That's chapter 10. Chapter 11, we'll be looking at the horizontal control survey. And the book goes into a lot of depth there, but I'll shorten that, I hope, be able to shorten that a little bit to the things that are pertinent to you. Again, as construction managers, you don't need to know everything that a surveyor knows. And lastly is chapter 13 this week, or I'm sorry, chapter 12 this week. And that is machine control. And that should be of some interest to you. If you're going into construction management, you're going to want to know about machine control. That's the GPS and computers controlling heavy equipment. It's much more efficient. In most cases, it's much more efficient than a man operating it, but it's also very expensive. And I have some examples that I can relate to you about the efficiency of it and the difficulty that sometimes it takes for a man to do the same job a machine can do. So I just want to let you know, as far as homework and assignments go through Module 5, I will try to get you everything later this week, get you caught up there with your grades, but what I've seen, nobody's doing poorly. So everything's in good shape as far as the test went. And the assignments, the homework assignments are all doing really good. So I think that's a plus for everybody, being in a hybrid situation or a completely online situation with very little contact. Again, if any of you have any questions, you have the Monday night office hours, roughly 7 o'clock. If anybody shows up, I'll give you 10 minutes to show up. If not, then I'll shut the meeting down. But it's there for your benefit to ask me any questions you might need to ask. So I'll be back in a few minutes with a lecture on chapter 10.